Hello, everyone. Welcome to the course on Industrial Robot Virtual Simulation Technology. Today, we will dive deeper into how to set up and place assembly workpieces, which is a crucial step in simulating automated production lines. By the end of this lesson, I hope everyone will be able to accurately describe the methods of adding and positioning assembly workpieces in a simulation environment, and independently place workpieces on modules like the Quick Change device and stereoscopic warehouse module. Let's now begin Task 2, Set Up Assembly Workpieces. Workpieces need to be added to the parts directory. First, let's add the gripper workpieces. We need to add the arc jaw claw tool, flat nose claw tool, and vacuum suction cup tool. To do this, right-click on the parts directory, choose Add Link, then click on Multiple CAD files. Navigate to the Quick Change tool folder and select the appropriate models to add. Next, let's add the assembly workpieces. In the parts directory, choose Add Multiple CAD files. In the model library, find the workpiece folder, and we need to add the joint base, joint finished product, motor finished product, and reducer. Now, let's place the 3 gripper workpieces on the Quick Change device. In the left menu, find the fixtures directory and locate the Quick Change device. Right-click and select Properties. In the Properties dialog box, click the Parts tab and select Flat Nose Claw tool. Then click Apply. Next, click the Flat Nose Claw tool again, check Edit Part Offset, and set the position to X60, Y75, Z180, W180, R90. Click Apply. Now, use the same method to edit the arc jaw claw tool and set the position to X60, Y75, Z180, W180, R90. Click Apply. Next, edit the vacuum suction cup tool's position to X60, Y75, Z180, W180, R90. Click Apply. This completes the placement of the 3 tools. Next, let's set up the discharge of assembly workpieces. First, we need to modify the color of the workpieces. In the corresponding parts directory, find the assembly workpieces and click on the color palette to change it to any desired color, for example, blue. Once the color is set, continue with the process. Next, in the left menu, under Fixtures, find the stereoscopic warehouse module. Right-click and select Properties. In the Properties dialog, click the Parts tab, select Joint Base, and click Apply. Next, click Joint Base, check Edit Part Offset, and set the position to Y65, Z215, R90. Click Apply. Use the same method to add joint finished product and modify its position to Y65, Z395, R90. Now, let's place the workpieces on the rotary feeding module. In the left menu, find the Machines directory and locate the rotary feeding mechanism. Right-click and select Properties. In the Properties dialog, click the Parts tab, check Motor Finished Product. Click again, check Edit Part Offset, and set the position to x95, y-55, z260, r30. Click Apply. Next, let's add workpieces to the transport module. Before adding workpieces, we need to add a virtual pallet to the transport module. In the left menu, under Machines, find the transport module. Right-click and choose Add Link. Select Box. Click on the Link CAD tab. Change the box property to 10, and create a virtual pallet with dimensions 10 mm x 10 mm x 10 mm and a mass of 0. Set the position x-25, y270, z155, and click Apply. Now, select the Parts tab and check Reducer. Next, let's add workpieces to the Positioner module. In the left menu, under Machines, find the Positioner shaft. Right-click and select Properties. In the Properties dialog, click the Parts tab and check Joint Base, then click Apply. Click it again. Check Edit Part Offset, and set the position to x112, y75, b257, r90. Now, add Joint Finished Product and click Apply. Its position should be the same as Joint Base, and set the position to x112, y75, b257, r90. After testing, click Apply. Next, click Joint Finished Product and uncheck Visible at Teach Time. Then click Apply. At this point, we notice that only Joint Base is visible in the simulation. This means we need to assemble Joint Base, Motor Finished Product, and Reducer here to form the Joint Finished Product. Now, check Motor Finished Product and click Apply. Click again, check Edit Part Offset, and set the position to x112, y75, z270, r90. Then click Apply. Next, check Reducer and click Apply. Click again, check Edit Part Offset, and set the position to x112, y75, z318, r90. Then click Apply. Finally, restore Joint Finished Product to visible at Teach Time. We can now see that the separate shapes match exactly when assembled. Click Apply to complete. This concludes Task 2, Set Up Assembly Workpieces. In today's lesson, we learned how to set up and place assembly workpieces in a simulation environment. We mastered the methods of adding gripper and assembly workpieces and how to accurately place them on various modules with correct position parameters. I hope everyone can become proficient in these operations and apply them flexibly in future learning and work.